we're going to look at modeling Flexible Access Drawdown compared to UFPLS. So first of all, you're going to need to understand the differences between the two. I'll have sent you a link via email to an article that explains it. I've done a few videos on the topic, or you can Google it. The default of the model is to use UFPLS because that's much more easy to work the numbers on. And basically Flexible Access Drawdown involves taking the tax-free cash up front, staggered over several years, whereas UFPLS is more about taking 25% of withdrawals from a pension tax-free and 75% taxed. So under FAD, you'll be paying less tax initially and then more tax later on, and that may or may not be beneficial for you. If you use Flexible Access Drawdown, you need to specify how much tax-free cash you want to take each year, which are these rows 5 and 9 in the model, or rows 19 and 23 in the sensitivity. So you just specify what you want. You need to make sure that you're taking the money early enough such that there is actually cash for you to spend, and if you don't do that, then the model will throw up an error. So here we've done the numbers. I'm going to check these boxes, and now the sensitivity is running Flexible Access Drawdown. So what I do is I go to this model versus sensitivity. First of all, I can compare the wealth under both scenarios, and the red line is higher, which is the sensitivity, which is saying that I end up with more wealth if I use Flexible Access Drawdown. And then for the tax paid under Flexible Access Drawdown, I'm initially paying no tax, and then I start paying more tax, and then eventually the amount of tax paid is the same, but then overall I'm actually paying less under the sensitivity. And then for the sources of income under Flexible Access Drawdown, you'll see the green bars appear earlier on, which is the tax-free cash being taken first, kind of before the ISA. Under UFPLS, you'll see more of the green bars spread out over the life of the financial model. It isn't always the case that FAD is better than UFPLS, and you need to check that you're not paying the 40% tax rate under Flexible Access Drawdown. So it's useful to just play around with the numbers and come up with the optimal solution for you.